Christine from Pack Hacker. In this video, we're taking a look at the Travelon Compact Hanging Toiletry Bag, which I've been testing for 2 weeks. Let's jump in. So this toiletry bag has a 1.5 liter capacity, and it's made with ripstop polyester. And you can see there's like nothing beefing it up. You can like see the outline of my bottles and whatnot. So definitely keep that in mind. There's no structure really to this bag, which makes it very lightweight and easy to pack into a bag. You're not dealing with extra structure to have to wedge in somewhere. But like I've had makeup compacts break in things like this before. So anything delicate, I would just leave at home, decant it into another sturdier container. It has like this little, I don't even know what it is exactly, but like the edge is a little bit structured, but you can see it definitely like just pulls in wherever, however you bend it. So it still doesn't provide a whole lot of structure there. We have one, this is not the hanging loop. I don't know what this loop is for, maybe to like hang it. I really don't know what this loop is for. It's, as you can see, it's too small to hold. I don't know if it was just for hanging at the store. It's not for hanging at your destination, I guess, unless you wanted to hang it up while it's closed, but there's a hook inside. So not quite sure why you would do that. It is what it is. And then we have an unbranded zipper, but the zipper works. I haven't had any issues with it, and I do like that it has like a cord and this grippy plastic pull, because especially like if you put too much lotion on your hands, sometimes smaller metal pulls are hard to grab. I find this one very easy to grab, so I like it. There's the Travelon label tag there, and then a Travelon logo here, and then this is just one of many loose threads all around here. We will see a lot more once we open it up inside, so keep that in mind. I don't feel like it's the most premium made or premium materials toiletry bag I've tested, but it also doesn't cost much, so take that how you will. So if you are finding this video helpful, go ahead and click like and subscribe so we can keep bringing you content like this to help you travel smarter. So now let's go into the bag, and you will see there are 3 sections. So I'm going to start at the top. See? We have the hook, the whole component of the hanging toiletry bag. It is basically like the top of a clothing hanger. It's just plastic. It doesn't swivel. It can kind of turn because of this webbing strip, but not much. And it's very small. Like most hanging toiletry bags, I have no problem like sticking over a shower rod. This one's too small for that. I could hang it easily over my towel bar rod, and basically any of those hooks on the back of the hotel room door or camper bathroom door, it would fit fine. But just keep that in mind. If you have only thicker bars to hang it on, you're not gonna be able to hang it up. Starting at the top here, we have just this small mesh pocket. I've got like my pill container and my earplugs in here. It's smaller. This is the smallest space on the whole thing because you basically have to fold it in order to sandwich it back together. So you can't fit like, I guess you could fit a travel toothbrush. I just have a regular toothbrush in here, but you could fit like a shorter travel toothbrush or your razor up here. I did have the hairbrush up here for a while, and then I changed my mind. So it's just keep in mind that it's definitely narrower than the other sections. Then in the middle here, we have just some mesh pockets for, I've got some Cadence capsules here. You can kind of see, when it's hanging, it's easier to get these things out than it is when it's laying down. But, so I just pop those in there because those are the containers that I prefer to use. But basically bottles of any kind would work well here. Again, I wouldn't use glass. I would use metal or plastic because just everything's getting squished together. And so you really don't want to pick anything that's going to break. Again, here's some more of those loose threads. I don't know if you can, oh yeah, you can see them. They're just all over here. But again, with the price point, I guess you get what you get, right? Down here is just another zippered mesh pocket where I tended to shove everything else, my toothbrush, my hairbrush. I really don't like putting those together, but like the toothbrush had to go in something that was long enough for it. And then the razor, again, like I had up here, I found it hard to figure out what was the best way to organize this bag. And also it doesn't have enough space for everything I would like to bring on a trip personally. It doesn't, like, I don't have my makeup in here and I would miss that, but also I don't want to put my makeup compacts in something this flexible because they have broken in flexible things like that before. So if you're going somewhere where you won't need as many toiletries, or you're a very minimal toiletry packer, which admittedly I'm not really, I bring more toiletries than definitely average males for sure. And so if you can fit into this smaller space and you want something at a lower price point just to get the ball rolling, I'd say this works. You know, it gets the job done. You can fit the bare essentials in here. Basically, I could go on a trip with just this. It's just, I would like a few more things. That's my problem. And it is nice to be able to hang it up. However, if you don't have a good spot to hang it, it takes up a lot of counter space, and I found it hard to organize my thing. I just didn't organize my things as well as I would prefer to. So take that all with a grain of salt, because at this price point, it's definitely a decent option. It's just not going to last forever, I don't think. So there you have it, the Travelon Compact Hanging Toiletry Bag. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next one.